Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 1.2% today. NASDAQ was up over 2%. Really big day, actually. It's 25th record high close for the year, which is pretty incredible. It's a good year altogether. Uh, as we mentioned yesterday, the short-term trend had turned up. And so there's some momentum to the upside that was already happening, and some more catalysts today, just from the private payroll report that came out that showed the number of new jobs created was a little less than expected, still pretty healthy a number. And really, all of these things are just kind of coming back down to normal, like where we were before the pandemic. And so it's not like we're sliding, into recession, at least at this point. The bet has moved up now to 2 rate cuts. It was at 6, it got all the way down to 0, and we're back up to 2. Just as the data comes in, you can kind of see what's happening as far as the little bit of slowing, especially in the area of the job growth. And that's one of the mandates that the Fed has, is trying to keep what they call full employment, which is basically means unemployment at 4% or less, which is where it's at now, and inflation at 2% on core PCE. And so those are the two mandates. And so if you start to see a slowdown in hiring and number of job openings and those types of things like we've been seeing, that gives the room for the Fed to maybe do some rate cuts. It's over 65% probability, at least from a market betting standpoint, that the first rate cut would be in September of this year. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, the big report that's coming out on Friday could really change things too. If it's huge number of jobs, it could, stop this little rally we're having. If it's a average number or a lower than expected number, but still decent number, you could see this rally continue to do quite well. So a good day, actually, for the stock market. NVIDIA became the third $3 trillion company, actually passed Apple in terms of market capitalization, even though Apple has 3 times more sales. We also saw HP was up a bunch today based on their artificial intelligence server sales. So this is starting to hit, all of these different companies, and we're seeing some, good momentum out of that too. So, you've got possibility of lower interest rates. The economy and such is slowing down enough so that they might be lowering them. We've got the situation with artificial intelligence, still have strong demands in the service sector. We saw that today in a report. So people are out spending money, and doing things that they couldn't do for a while. So good stuff. Good day today. Good day to be an investor. Nice to be in the market. Look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow, and we'll talk to you then. Thank you.